Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're diving into one of the most adrenaline-fueled areas of trading contests. For some, these competitions are a fast track to recognition and prize money. For others, they're a shortcut to emotional burnout and blown accounts. But what separates the winners from the rest isn't luck, it's strategy. Today's episode is your ultimate step-by-step guide to navigating a trading contest like a pro. Whether you're joining your first or your 50th, this episode will show you how to compete aggressively without gambling recklessly. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Prepare before the contest starts. Too many traders hit join contest without doing their homework. That's your first mistake. Trading contests aren't about clicking buttons faster than anyone else. They're about precision, discipline, and knowing how the game is scored. Start with the rules. Every contest has its own framework. What assets are allowed? What's the leverage cap? Are you being judged on raw profit, consistency, or risk-adjusted returns like Sharpe ratio? Overlooking these details means you're playing the wrong game. You don't want to be the scalper in a swing traders contest or vice versa. Next, define your trading edge. You can't win a contest by winging it. If you're good at breakouts, stick to them. If you're a trend trader, stay in your lane. A trading contest is not the time to reinvent your method. If you don't already have a defined edge, spend time demo trading and backtesting first. And while we're on that, backtest your strategy. You want to know how your plan holds up in trending versus choppy markets. Simulate your plan across different conditions and be honest about your win rate, drawdowns, and how fast your strategy can build returns. Step 2. Build a contest-optimized trading strategy. Let's be honest. You're not going to win a 5-day contest with 1% risk per trade and 3 setups a week. That works for long-term portfolio building, not fast-paced competitions. But that doesn't mean all-in YOLO trades, either. Pick your risk style. Some traders go all out from day one. High risk, high reward, but also high chance of blowing up. Others play it conservative and try to survive while others eliminate themselves. Then there's the hybrid. Slow start, aggressive finish. This is often the most strategic choice. Adjust your position sizing. In regular trading, 1 to 2% risk per trade is the gold standard. In contests, you might push to 5 to 10% early if you know what you're doing. Just remember, if the first few trades go badly, you need to scale back before it's too late to recover. Leverage wisely. Most contests allow insane leverage. Use it tactically. In the early days, keep it under control. Midway through, if you're falling behind, turn it up. Final phase. Go for the win, but keep stop losses tight and your exit plans ready. Also use market correlations. Gold up, USD down, oil tied to CAD. These aren't just trivia. They're strategic opportunities to hedge or amplify risk with multi-asset plays. Step 3. Handle drawdowns like a professional. Every trader hits rough patches, even in contests. What matters is how you manage them. Set a max drawdown. 10% to 20% of your account is a common cap. Anything beyond that, and you're in recovery mode. And no, you probably won't win if you're down 40% and trying to double up on the next trade. Avoid revenge trading. You lose a trade. It stings. You want it back. Fast, but trading emotionally to make it all back usually makes things worse. Step away, reset, and return with a clear head. Adapt to the market. If your breakout setups are failing in a low volatility market, switch gears. Maybe shift to scalping or mean reversion. Be flexible. The market isn't going to adapt to your plan. You have to adapt to it. Step 4. Know when to play offense and when to defend. Trading contests are all about timing. You need to know when to hit the gas and when to protect what you've built. Early stage. Keep risk low. Let others self-destruct with oversized positions. Your goal here is survival. Mid-stage. Now it's time to check your standing. If you're trailing, it might be time to increase size or frequency. If you're ahead, shift into capital preservation mode, defend your lead. Final stage. It's all or nothing now. You're either solidly in the lead and need to hold position, or you're behind and need to go full throttle. Don't play it safe here. Make your move. Step 5. Master your mindset. You can have the best strategy in the world and still lose if your psychology isn't right. Don't overtrade. More trades is not equal to more profit. Stick to your edge. You're not being graded on frequency. You're being judged on results. Block out the leaderboard. Obsession with the leaderboard causes panic and FOMO. Check in periodically, sure, but don't let it dictate your trades. Detach from outcomes. Each trade is a probability play. You're not your PL. Winning traders stay objective, whether they're up or down. And finally, stay sharp. Sleep, exercise, and take breaks. Contest trading can burn you out fast. Stay mentally fresh so you can make clear, rational decisions. Step 6. Learn from every contest. Whether you finish in first or blow the account halfway through, every contest is a lesson. Journal everything. Document your trades, mistakes, what worked, what didn't. Analyze patterns. Refine your approach. Maybe you were too conservative. Maybe you took too many low-quality setups. Either way, build on that knowledge for next time. Apply it to real trading. Contests simulate pressure and fast-paced decision-making. That's a valuable skill in live markets. Carry it with you. Ready to compete? If you're looking for a platform that offers fair, transparent, and high-stakes trading contests, check out crystalballmarkets.com. They run both free and paid contests with real cash prizes, and their rules reward strategy, not gambling. Join today and put your skills to the test. That's it for this episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, and whether you're contest hunting, building a career, or just leveling up your skills, remember, strategy always beats luck. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep aiming for consistency over chaos.